It's fucking weird. It's real, you know, it's almost like it's sexual. I'm making stuff come out of his body, you know what I mean? And then I take my thumbs and press and get the schmutz to come out of his fucking blackheads. I know you want
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
to throw up thinking about it, but it was like, for me, it was like a chance to, my dad wasn't screaming and yelling about what a putz I was.
Well, I'm thinking, yeah, you were so interested in it, you were now looking for things to do a better job.
Yeah, like I'd get paper clips and all kinds of things to squeeze out his blackhead so he wouldn't get a cyst. And sadly, and I hate to admit this, but only to you, but no one else is probably listening this early, this was my happiest childhood memory, you know? Squeezing the pit pills on my dad's back because I felt accomplished. And then when this stuff would come out, I'd be like, so... But in any case... You're right, my phone must have been listening to me because now...
Damn!
That's not funny, Proctor. No, sir.
On Instagram, you gotta hear this. This woman comes in.